All right, we've been out here four-wheeling, and we've got the Ruger 1022 with us. So we decided it was the perfect time to try the new Banish 22 can that we just picked up today. This thing has been pretty quiet so far in our testing, and it looks good. We'll be shooting it with some Federal American Eagle 22 45 grain suppressor copper plated loads. Let's see how they sound. Here we go, Ruger 1022 45 grain Federal suppressor loads. I can tell the difference in sound from it hitting the dirt backstop back here. If it's hitting different densities of dirt, I can hear the different sounds in the backstop. This suppressor is so quiet. One thing bad about the 1022, you don't have a last round bolt hold open. But it fired well, and it fed well. Looks